dried lavender, dried lemongrass, it's already open at the top like that. I'm going to stuff the herbs that I just chopped up inside of the tea bag. Or I could use this tea strainer and I could fill it with herbs as well, like this, and close it. I could put this actually in my teacup, or I could actually put the herbs inside of here and set this inside my cup and let that seep. When I'm done, I could take it out of the cup, put it to the side. There you have it, lemongrass lavender tea. Enjoy.
That was easy.
Wasn't it? See, I put the other two lemongrass in here, and I'm just gonna let it seep for about 15 minutes. And
that was easy.
wasn't it?